Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on console. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. You'll use the left stick to steer your car and the right trigger to accelerate. The left trigger is for reverse. Boosting is crucial for speed, activated with a button press. Jumping allows you to get airborne, and a second press performs a double jump for higher reach. Mastering these basic movements is your first step to becoming a Rocket League pro. Now, let's elevate your game with advanced techniques. Power sliding, often mapped to the same button as air roll, allows for sharp, controlled turns. Dribbling involves balancing the ball on your car, requiring precise throttle and steering. Aerials are essential for scoring and defending. Practice flying to meet the ball in the air. Consistent practice will significantly improve your ability to control both your car and the ball. Effective strategy is key to winning matches. Offensively, aim for corners or high shots to challenge the opposing goalie. Defensively, prioritize clearing the ball to the sides or corners, away from your goal. Knowing when to challenge an opponent for the ball versus when to rotate back is a critical decision. Team communication, even with quick chat, helps coordinate attacks and defenses, leading to more successful plays. Consistent practice is the ultimate path to improvement. The game offers various training packs to hone specific skills like aerials or shooting. Reviewing your replays helps identify errors and areas for growth. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tactics in casual matches before taking them to ranked play. Dedicate about 15 minutes daily to focused practice on one or two skills, and you will see significant progress over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.